Alright everyone, welcome to Backcountry Alaska. And look what we just got in the mail. Starlink
Woo!
Mini. We are off-grid. No cell phone service, as you can see. Larry's on there, no bars.
Larry.
I do have the Starlink app already downloaded on my phone, so I think that's going to save me a headache. But we're totally off-grid here at the cabin. Well, we're actually in the camper, but we got the cabin.
At the cabin in the camper.
Yeah, we got cabin projects to do, so we're going to go ahead and see how this thing works. William has a Starlink. He has the full-blown big one, and it's always such a pain. His box is huge, and we take it everywhere. It's like the size of this table, the big waterproof box that he has. Cool. Okay. I wonder if there's any instructions in here. Oh, these are probably it. All right. Looks like it's got a cover on it. We're probably gonna have to take this outside real quick and through this little thing into the bottom. Oh, nice! Got like a waterproof plug. That's pretty neat. Squish. And then let's plug it in to some power. Take it outside. Okay. Now we're officially plugged in. Now, I believe the instructions say to open up that app. Oh no, it's on my phone. We're gonna swap phones real quick. Word to the wise, you gotta download the app before you go where there's no service. So I went and stood on my neighbor's porch and got enough to download the app. But now, we're going with it. Oh, I should probably screen record this real quick. I think I can do that. Allow. We're gonna allow networks. Doop, doop, doop. There we go. Go to Starlink. Start setup. Let's just try that. Mini. Turn. Check for obstructions. Scan the entire sky, it says, with your camera phone. What? I hope the clouds aren't too thick.
I know.
What's the difference?
I have no idea.
Oh my god, look at it. Oh, this is neat. Oh, camper's kind of in the way. Elon's the man. Okay. Estimate obstructions. Good experience. Good experience. Okay. I don't know what to do here.
Set up here, yeah.
Find central location. Okay, I have a location. My Starlink is plugged in.
Connect to Starlink.
Wi-Fi's on.
No way. It's not that easy. That's crazy.
Dude. Okay, now what? I'll go back to Starlink.
Because you gotta set like a password and stuff, right?
Yeah.
It's okay just getting wet like that.
Yes. Outdoor everything.
Wild.
Okay, tap to finish setting up your Starlink Wi-Fi. What should we call it?
Ooh.
Backcountry Alaska, duh.
Oh yeah. Maybe I don't say your password out loud.
Starlink cannot start or end with spaces. What?
You've got a space in the front?
I think so. Let's go all one word.
Yeah.
There, it's happy with that. Applying settings. As you can see, the weather's just balmy here in the eastern Alaska Range. Typical August.
Oh.
I wonder how many Starlink minis are in Alaska. Probably not very many.
Yeah.
Because what's today? August
2nd.
2nd. So almost a month ago exactly, these like debuted or whatever. Pretty sure they came out on the 4th of July.
What's the benefit, I mean, other than just carrying a big one to having the mini? Like, is it worse connection?
Power too. So eventually when we have like solar and a battery system, it won't use as much juice. has a software update. Well, it says internet will be disrupted for several minutes. We're gonna take a pause and come back when it's updated. I don't know what these numbers mean, but we finally like let it search itself out, and we got a speed test. That's what we're doing. Doesn't look all that great, but we have internet.
It's
in
working.
the off-grid of Alaska. So cool. That's it. This is out of the box review from someone who's not techie whatsoever.
Yay!
Thanks.